Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we're here to do the daily cipher for today, 23rd of July 2024. Okay, so let's get into the mood of daily cipher by clicking here. Okay, so we are good to go. So, what are we spelling tonight? It is a HODL. HODL. The word was hold. So somebody made a mistake, and since then it has become a big word in the crypto world. So hold, HODL. Okay, H HODL. That's what we are spelling tonight. Hold. It means to hold onto your coin, no matter what, no matter how red the market is, until it turns green. So now people will get obi akpo they hold well. So let's go into let's consult our chart as usual. And the first letter in hold is H, letter H. And how do we spell letter H? Letter H is spelled with 4 dots. So this should be easy. 4 dots. Okay. So we're going to tap 4 times on the phone. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Letter H has been activated. Okay. So let's go on to this letter H. So let's go on to letter O. Letter O is 3 dash. So another easy one. Dash into 3 places. Dash. Okay, letter O has been activated. The next in the line is letter D. Letter D. So how do we spell letter D? That is dot dash. No, dash dot. Dash dot. Okay, dash dot. So let's get on with it. Dash dot. So dash dot. Letter D. Okay, so the last but not the least is letter L. Please, if you are just joining this YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. It will not cost you anything. It's just that whenever I release a video like this, you will get the notification. Okay, thank you. So letter L. Let's see how we spell letter L. HIJKL. Okay. Letter L is spelled dot dash dot. Dot dash dot. Okay. Dot dash dot. Dot dash dot. And that is letter L. Hold. So we've gotten tonight's word. So we'll move on to the next one. Okay, guys, and that is all. I will see you guys tomorrow when another Morse code comes out. Have a good one. Good night. Bye bye.